Bridges are critical parts of the highway network because they make it possible for roads to carry traffic over water or other major obstructions. Bridges are constructed of many different types of materials: concrete and masonry, steel, timber, or a combination of materials. Bridges have many parts which must be cleaned and cleared. The cleaning and clearing procedure is the same for all bridges. This videotape will focus on the proper cleaning and clearing procedure, which must be performed regularly and before structural inspections. If you do not clean and clear bridges regularly, small defects will become larger problems. Proper maintenance is very important to keep bridges open, so traffic can move smoothly across them. Their approaches should be smooth. The deck should be clean. The drainage holes should be cleared. The expansion joints must be free from debris. And the sidewalks and handrails must be clean. Also, the bridge bearings and pier caps must be free of rust, flaking paint, dirt, and debris to remain in good working order. The area underneath the bridge must be free of debris that would obstruct the water flow. To clean and clear bridges, you will need the proper equipment: a dump truck or other utility vehicle to carry your crew, equipment, and hand tools to the work site; an air compressor to clean drain holes, downspouts, and expansion joints. Be sure to take along the blowpipe attachment. You will also need stiff brooms, shovels, a handsaw, a pointed rod or a crowbar, wire brushes, grass cutting tools, rope and bucket, rags, ladder, and a wheelbarrow. Before we cover each step in detail, we will briefly introduce the 8 basic steps for cleaning and clearing of bridges. Step 1. Place the traffic control devices. Step 2. Clean the bridge deck. Step 3. Clean the drain holes, downspouts, and expansion joints. Step 4. Clean all signs and reflectors. Step 5. Remove unauthorized writing and painting. Step 6. Clean the bearing assemblies, pier caps, and abutments. Step 7. Remove debris and waterway obstructions. Step 8. Remove the warning signs. We will cover each step in detail. Step 1. Place the traffic control devices. You must use extra caution while working on bridges. Proper placement of the traffic control devices is important to the safety of your crew and traffic. Work on one half of the bridge deck at a time to allow sufficient room for the workers and also allow traffic to pass. To protect the workers, park the truck between the barricade and the work area. Step 2. Clean the bridge deck. If the dirt, soil, or debris is thick, scrape the deck with a hand shovel. Then load this material into the wheelbarrow. If the dirt, soil, or debris is not too thick, sweep it toward the side. Gather this material in small piles so it too can be loaded into the wheelbarrow. Dispose of this material away from the bridge abutments. After cleaning the bridge deck, make a note of any damage, such as holes and cracks, which need to be repaired. Step 3. Clean the drain holes, downspouts, and expansion joints. Use a pointed tool to clear drain holes and downspouts. Inspect them visually to make sure they're thoroughly cleaned so water can flow through them quickly. Use the air compressor to remove loose dirt and debris from the expansion joints. This is important because expansion joints must be kept clean to allow for expansion and contraction of the bridge deck. If rocks and debris are stuck between these joints, use a pointed tool to dig them out. If an air compressor is not available, use a pointed tool and a broom to remove the material from the expansion joints. Sweep the loose dirt toward the side and dispose of it properly. Note any expansion joints which need repair. Step 4. Clean all signs and reflectors. Use rags and water to remove dirt from signs and reflectors on curbs and guardrails to make them more visible. As you are cleaning, check if the signs and reflectors are in need of repair or replacement. Step 5. Remove unauthorized writing and painting. Use a stiff broom and water or solvent to remove them. Or you may cover these markings with paint that is the same color as the bridge. After both sides of the bridge deck have been cleaned and cleared, remove the cones and barricades to allow normal traffic to resume. But leave the signs in place to warn traffic while you are working underneath the bridge. Then, park the truck on the shoulder. Step 6. Clean the bearing assemblies, pier caps, and abutments. This area is the most important part of the bridge. Remove any debris from the beams and bearing areas of the abutments and pier caps. If necessary, use a wire brush to clean the bearing assembly. After the assembly is clean, check it for corrosion. Also check the piers and abutments for erosion damage. If they need repair, report it to your maintenance engineer or your maintenance supervisor. Step 7. Remove debris and waterway obstructions. Under all bridges, you must clear the waterway of any logs, stumps, and other debris. If necessary, use a saw to cut them up. Under timber bridges, remove any materials which are a fire hazard, such as dead trees, dead grass, and other combustible materials. Dispose of this material properly. After disposing of the material, load all of your hand tools onto the truck. Step 8. Remove the warning signs. When all workers, equipment, and hand tools are safely off the bridge, remove the warning signs. To review this operation, there are 8 steps for cleaning and clearing of bridges. Step 1. Place the traffic control devices. Be sure to follow approved procedures. Step 2. Clean the bridge deck. Remove all dirt, soil, or debris and dispose of it properly. Step 3. Clean the drain holes, downspouts, and expansion joints. Make sure water will flow freely through the drain holes and downspouts. Also, the expansion joints must be free of debris to work properly. Step 4. Clean all signs and reflectors. They must be easily seen by drivers. Step 5. Remove unauthorized writing and painting. Use stiff brooms and water or solvent to remove them or cover them with paint. Step 6. Clean the bearing assemblies, pier caps, and abutments. Remove all dirt and debris from these areas. Step 7. Remove debris and waterway obstructions. Remove material which is a fire hazard or obstructs the water flow. Step 8. Remove the warning signs. Before you start, make sure workers and equipment are in a safe area. Regular cleaning and clearing of bridges helps prevent costly repairs and makes them safer for traffic.